Hey folks, we got a 1935 Ford to show you today. I'm going to kind of stand out of the way because this truck is gorgeous and I don't want to block your view. I just bought it down south from a private person. It was a show vehicle. So we're going to do a little spin around here and tell you all I know about it. But the paint, the color and the quality of the finish is just stunning. Even here in person, it's flawless. The gaps are pristine. There's not a ripple anywhere. I mean, I don't see anything wrong with it. I don't see any chipping, cracking, shrinking. This is just beautiful, beautiful paintwork. That had to have been 20 grand paint job or more. And again, the copper color is classy. I can't say enough about the body and paint. The cab is metal. The fenders are fiberglass. The bed is custom aftermarket, custom made bed. Love the taillights, the blue dots, all the chrome hinges. It says Ford right in the tailgate. This will open. Well, that one's stuck, but this does open. You got tinted glass, beautiful chrome wheels. The interior is first class. I love the color combination. The quality of workmanship inside is just as good as the outside. 350 motor. It's got an overdrive automatic transmission. It's got power disc brakes. It's got air conditioning. Up front it has like a Heights front suspension with the tubular control arms, rack and pinion steering. It's got headers. Edelbrock carb with electric choke. The door jambs are painted just as beautiful. And all the hardware, the window seals in here. I bought this car because I was impressed with its quality. That's really what made me buy the car, is its quality. Interior is beautiful. Chrome column. The whole steering wheel is chrome. The grip and everything is all polished. Got a low car shifter. It's got the same flame stitch pattern on the seats and the door panels. But check this out. It looks like a window crank. It's a power window. It's got a micro switch in there, so a very cool feature. Inside the bed is all oak with polished stainless strips. Got the fuel cell in here. I'm going to try this again, see if I can get it open. It's really stuck. There we go. Oh, now this side. Well, too late. Now I missed my opportunity there. But go to volocars.com and you'll see the pictures from top to bottom. Underneath the truck is really nice. Again, look inside. The dash here is all done. Headliner has the same flames in it. The pedals are beautiful. Everything is just neat and tidy. So as I was saying, volocars.com. You'll get all the specs, pictures top to bottom. We have hundreds of cars on there for sale. This one just came in from down south. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you're super fussy, this car would please you. So feel free to contact sales@volocars.com with any questions.